Hello my friend, how are you? I hope everything is good with you and your loved ones. So today I am using the NYX Modern Dreamer palette to create a summer to autumn makeup look, and I just thought that this palette had a lot of different colors, super vibrant. But first I'm going to use the Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Just because I don't have anything on my lips right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert some music while I do the tutorial. Okay, so I already finished with the palette, and I believe this is it for my makeup look. I'm just not doing anything else with my face because today is another heat wave, and I think today is supposed to be like the highest, and after today it'll start to get a little bit cooler after that. So I have a little bit of many thoughts using this palette, and I thought the mattes performed really beautifully. I think that they blended quite easily on the eyes, but the only problem I had was this shimmer right here. It looks really sparkly on the pan, but on my face I do have like a lot of glitter fallout, and I wasn't aware I had to put glitter glue upon applying that shade. But it is really pretty on the lid. I really love how everything came out. It's just the glitter shades right here and this one. I think this one too. These all need like glitter glue because they do have fallout. But I really liked how the look came out. It looks like a sunset eye. But I think it's a perfect transition to embracing the autumn season, which I am really excited for. So thank you so much for watching, my friend. I really appreciate you and your time to watch this video. May God bless always. I hope that you give my video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that you join my channel because I just love seeing it grow. And to all of my returning subscribers, I love you. So thank you so much for being here. You take good care. I am wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And stay cool and hydrated if you're experiencing a heat wave like my area. Okay, bye my friend.